Welcome to my review of Betterment's retirement planning tool. Find product links below. In this video, I'll share my experience, highlighting its features, usability, and ideal user. Is it right for your retirement planning? Let's find out. Betterment targets those seeking simple, automated retirement planning with optimized savings and investments. It's perfect for a hands-off approach, using robo-advisors to automatically adjust your portfolio. Ideal for beginners or those needing strategy refinement. A standout feature is personalized projections. Input basic info like age, income, and goals. Betterment generates a tailored plan, projecting savings growth, suggested contributions, and estimated retirement income. Adjust variables like retirement age, target income, and risk tolerance to see different strategy impacts. Key benefit: seamless integration with Betterment's investment platform. Easily track progress and adjust your plan. Low cost, diversified ETF portfolios are automatically managed, ideal for long-term growth without constant management. Tax-efficient strategies like tax loss harvesting help maximize long-term savings. Overall, Betterment's tool is excellent for straightforward, automated planning with minimal effort, maximized returns. Want an easy-to-use solution with personalized projections and automated investing? Betterment might be perfect. Check the description for more.